Have you ever felt like no matter how hard you work, you just can't get ahead financially? Like there's an invisible wall holding you back? It might not be just bad luck, it might be habits. In this video, we'll explore 5 habits that keep poor people poor, and more importantly, how to break them. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, stay with me. This might just change your life. Habit 1. Spending more than you earn. It sounds obvious, but it's one of the most common traps. Many people live slightly beyond their means, not by a lot, just $100 here, $200 there. That adds up. Why does this happen? Because spending feels good. Buying new things gives us a dopamine rush. And when life feels stressful or empty, shopping becomes a way to cope. But this creates a cycle: debt, anxiety, and even more spending to escape the stress. How to break it? Track every expense for 30 days. Use a notebook or free app. Set up a no-spend challenge weekend. Ask yourself before any purchase, will this make me feel better in a week? Delayed gratification is a powerful wealth-building skill. Habit 2. No emergency fund. Life happens: car repairs, dental bills, losing a job. Without an emergency fund, any surprise becomes a crisis. This forces people to borrow money or use credit cards, creating debt that's hard to escape. The reality: 60% of Americans don't have $1,000 saved for emergencies. That's not a financial problem, it's a habit problem. How to break it? Start small, save just $5 or $10 a week. Automate it. Set your bank to move money into a separate savings account every payday. Sell something. Declutter and put that cash into your emergency fund. This one habit separates people who survive from people who thrive. Habit 3. Ignoring debt. Avoiding debt doesn't make it disappear. Many people stop opening their mail, ignore credit card statements, and hope things will get better. But that just allows interest to grow, and stress along with it. The emotional weight of debt is real. It causes anxiety, depression, and even affects relationships. How to break it? Write down every debt you owe, even if it hurts. Organize them from smallest to largest, snowball method. Pay minimums on all, then focus every extra dollar on the smallest. Celebrate every milestone. Taking control of your debt gives you back control of your life. Habit 4. No financial planning or budgeting. Many poor people live in reaction mode. They handle money based on emotion and urgency, not strategy. There's no written plan, no tracking, and no clear goals. I'll save if there's money left over becomes the mindset. But there's never any money left over. How to break it? Create a simple zero-based budget every month. Give every dollar a job. Use the 50/30/20 rule if that's easier: 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings/debt. Review your budget weekly. Money is a system, not a feeling. Once you plan your money, it starts working for you, not against you. Habit 5. Relying on only one income stream. Relying on a single paycheck is dangerous, especially in today's economy. One layoff, one emergency, and your entire life is at risk. The rich build multiple streams of income, even small ones. It's not about working harder. It's about working smarter. How to break it? Learn a side skill: AI tools, YouTube faceless, freelance work. Sell something you know: knowledge, printables, services. Reinvest your time into something scalable. Having even $200 per month from a side hustle can change your life. Poverty is not just a money issue, it's a mindset and habit issue. And that's good news, because habits can be changed. Start small. Pick one habit from today's list and commit to changing it this week. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. Which habit are you going to break this year? Let's build a smarter future, one habit at a time.